The Trade Commission is now cracking down on payday loan companies who aren't upfront about the terms of their contracts and who illegally try to collect. The feds recently filed suit against a handful of these companies. Our consumer investigator Jennifer Lukey has the real deal now on how it's probably best just to stay away from this form of lending altogether.
Don Carpenter had to find a new home in a hurry, and he was low on cash at the time.
I saw those payday loan commercials on TV, so I thought I'd check online. Found one.
He took out 2 loans for a total of $800. He agreed to make monthly payments in order to get them repaid.
I wasn't worried about it. I thought they'd just take the money out until it was gone. I didn't ever see it because it came out the day my paycheck went in. So it was no big deal.
After nearly a year, Don thought the loan had been repaid with plenty of interest on top, but he didn't have any paperwork, so he just closed the bank account the payday loan company had been dipping into. That's when the phone calls started.
Will be jailed for next 6 months. If you are not calling me today with the back and tomorrow with the payment, you will be in serious legal trouble. It is going to be re-downloaded in the code and they will be issuing a warrant against you.
Questionable payday loan companies hire even more questionable bill collectors, and now they're claiming Don owes nearly $2,000.
So every month they were taking out $100. What I didn't know is every month they'd take out $100, but my balance wouldn't get any less.
Meaning everything he had paid was just interest. The bill collectors are breaking the law by threatening Don, but the excessive interest rates and other terms and conditions he agreed to were buried in the fine print of his original deal online, a deal he feels others should stay as far away from as possible.
And then they just take everything they can from you.
That's The Real Deal. I'm Jennifer Lukey.
Now, if you're hard up for cash, ask a friend, ask a family member to borrow. If that's not an option, even taking a cash advance out in your credit card is normally a better deal than these payday loans. At our direction, Don will now file a complaint with the Attorney General both about the harassing collectors and what he calls the misleading payday lender.